What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's video, we are going to be showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit, and we will be cleaning up these Hoka Clifton LS. This is a perfect example of how running shoes are evolving to meet demands of both performance and style. Let us know in the comment section down below, are you rocking with Hokas or not? Regardless, no one's rocking Hokas in this condition, so we got to bring them back to life. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. To start this cleaning off, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one shoe, set it aside. So let me grab this left one and get that out of here. Then I'm gonna remove these shoelaces, and then we're gonna start building our cleaning station. Get these laces aside, we'll work on those a little later, but right now let's build our cleaning station. The first product we are gonna be showcasing will be our adjustable shoe tree. These will adjust up to a size 12.5. Just gonna insert it like so. Now we have that nice hard toe box, so we can apply as much pressure as I need to during this cleaning process to really get a deep clean on this mesh. We're also gonna be using all three of our brushes, soft, medium, and stiff, solution, sneaker laundry bag, and of course, our microfiber towel. All these tools are inside your signature shoe cleaning kit. A couple other products we will be showcasing is gonna be our dry rack bowl combo. This is gonna act as a perfect storage for our brushes, as well as give us a bowl so we can fill up with water once we squirt our solution. Plus, this cleaning mat that is laying down, that's just gonna act as the perfect space for this cleaning environment. Last but not least, we will be showcasing our sneaker laundry detergent. You guys could actually use the code HOKA20 to save you 20% off. It's only gonna be good for the first 20 orders, so make sure you guys act fast. But again, this is the cleaning station, what we are working with. Right now, I gotta fill up our bowl of water so we can really get this party going. Now that we got our bowl of water filled up, I'm just gonna grab our solution and squirt a squirt. Our solution is highly concentrated. This 4-ounce bottle will take care of at least 50 pair of sneakers. To start this cleaning off, before I dip the brush and start getting the shoe nice and wet, I want to dry brush, see if I can kick off any of this loose dirt that is just settled on the shoe. This is a key step because you don't want to push this dirt deeper into the material. Speaking of materials, this shoe does have a lot of different materials. We have some mesh, some light color gray suede, rubbers, plastics. However, the soft brush is gonna work great because it's not gonna fray or snag any of these materials on this sneaker. For this specific sneaker, we do have a lot of dust all on the inside, so I'm using the soft brush as well to just dust off this sock liner. At home, this step may not be necessary for the insides, but again, if you do have dust or dirt, dry brushing it is key. Since this shoe is extremely dusty and this insole is removable, might as well take care of this now. Then I will set this aside and I'll take care of this later on, the cleaning, once I take care of those laces as well. But for now, time to put this shoe tree back inside the shoe, and we can really start cleaning with the soft bristle brush. I'm just gonna clean the whole shoe completely even. Then I'm just gonna use the microfiber towel to see if I have any deeper stains, and we'll go from there. This was just one quick pass of one side. Really wanted to show you guys just the before and after this side and this side. Obviously with this side, it still may look dingy. I'm not too worried because the sneaker laundry system is designed, scientifically proven to really flush out any trapped in stains. But again, this is just a quick little side comparison. Now let's work on this one. We always recommend starting with our soft bristle brush just because the bristles are just the softest, so it's not gonna cause any damage. And we've noticed that starting with this brush, it really just generates the most bubbles and gets the cleaning party popping off. This whole shoe is fully sudded up. That is gonna wrap it up for our soft bristle brush. Let me go ahead and just rack that. Now let's get a quick little pass and see what deeper stains we are working with. Overall, the white is looking whiter, but we are not done just yet. Now I'm gonna proceed using our medium bristle brush, get a deeper clean on this midsole as well as some of these leather areas, and then jump on over to the sock liner. Our medium bristle brush is a general all-purpose brush. It's gonna work great on leather as well as other materials, but again, if you're using it on another material such as mesh or canvas, just make sure you're brushing in one direction and pay attention to any potential fraying or snagging. As you can see with the microfiber towel, not only is it good to really wipe off all those suds, it's also a great tool to help you buff off any trapped in scuffs that wouldn't come out prior. When doing this step, it's key just to pay attention to detail and really work slowly but surely and make sure you get any scuffs off. Like I mentioned earlier, the medium bristle brush is good for all materials. However, certain materials, it may fray or snag. I'm working on this suede. Looks like it's giving me a great clean, just brushing in one direction. But when I move over to the toe box, I'm hearing a very harsh sound where it may be fraying or snagging that material. So rather than proceeding using this one, I'm just gonna allow the laundry system to really flush out these mesh sections. With that said, I still have to take care of this sock liner. So let's get it, let's go. All right, we got the guts of the sneakers all cleaned out. I'm going to just get this shoe tree back in there. Last but not least for this pre-cleaning, got to take care of these midsoles and outsoles and just get that most effective clean using our stiff bristle brush. All right guys, as you can see, I'm using the stiff bristle brush not only to take care of the outsole, I'm also taking care of the midsoles again. Even though I already hit it with the medium and I already hit it with the towel, I just want to get the most effective and deepest possible clean. Looks like there's a little bit of heel drag on this back heel. Just gonna go ahead and just give it that extra pass to see if I can work that off. Want to give a huge shout out to Luis. He's an active runner. My man trains for marathons and all that, and these were one of his trainers. He's also running our social media, so if you like the content we've been putting out, make sure you guys drop some fire emojis in the comments and let him know. But with that said, let me set this shoe aside and I can focus on these laces and insole. For the laces, just put them inside of the bowl of water. Gonna allow those to soak for a few, and I can proceed to grabbing our soft bristle brush, cleaning this insole. And now the lace. All you gotta do is just scrub between your hands back and forth. Squeeze off all that grime. You can grab your towel as well and wring out some of that dirty water. And now these sneakers are off to the washer. A few things I want to highlight when washing your shoes in the washer. You do want to make sure you are using the shoe trees and our sneaker laundry bag for the most effective clean. The shoe trees, again, is gonna hold the form and integrity so the shoe's not bending. Plus, the laundry bag is gonna keep the shoes close together so they're not flopping around everywhere. As you can see, we only got one sneaker in the laundry bag, but in fact, this bag will hold 2 shoes up to a size 12. But with that said, let me grab my sneaker laundry detergent and get to the washer. All right guys, checking in front of the washer. One thing I wanna highlight before I drop these sneakers, just that quick walk over, you can already see the dirt surfacing from the bag. That's why this step is crucial to really deep clean and flush out your sneakers. Again, don't forget to wash cold water and Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry detergent. All right guys, we are back. These HOKAs are looking nice as they are right now. However, we want them to look even better. What I mean is the suede around the shoe is pretty crunchy. So we gotta make that soft to touch once again. So I went ahead and grabbed our dry suede kit. I'm gonna go ahead and just reset, again, the gray suede to make it nice and soft before we get these things laced up. So let's get it, let's go. Our dry suede kit is a suede eraser with a medium all-purpose brush. This eraser is gonna be the safest way to go about cleaning any type of suede. It really allows you to spot clean it. However, what we're using it right now, rather than to spot clean, we're using it to help reset and make the suede nice and plush. Once we're done with the eraser, we're gonna move over to the medium bristle brush. Use it to brush off all those shavings and really use it to find the right set to make it as soft as it can be. All right, we got the suede nice and soft, plus the sneaker cleared of all the shavings. So now we go to get that aside and we can proceed to lacing them up. All right guys, these sneakers are almost ready to go hit the track one more time. But before I do that, I want to hit them with some water and stain repellent. And that way they're protected from the elements. So follow me outside. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these all white HOKAs. that our social media and marketing manager, Luis, has put some miles on. But as you can see by these uppers, they are fully cleaned and conditioned. Those midsoles has a lot of wear and tear from running. However, they look great. Plus that outsole. All three of our brushes did the job for today's video, but that laundry system definitely came in clutch. Plus, we can't forget about our dry suede kit. That allowed us to really reset the suede and make it nice and soft and bring back that original texture. Last but not least, we had to hit it with the water and stain repellent to keep these shoes protected. But we gotta do all that again to this left shoe so we can get our boy right. But right now I gotta do all those same steps to this shoe so we can get my boy right. Don't forget, all these products and more are available at Reshoevn8r.com. If you guys missed a promo code earlier today, it was HOKA20 to save you 20% off. But again, it's only good for the first 20 orders, so act fast. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. We'll catch y'all on another one. Peace.